watching iLovei. My name is Nate, and today we're in Northridge, and we're checking out this car wash because they got food inside. This car wash is known for their Filipino food. But before we do that, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so that way you can watch more cool videos just like this one and find cool places to eat. Let's go check it out. So Lillian's is known for their hopia. They actually have other things too, like other Filipino foods, like you just pretty much point at what you want. They call it turo turo. We didn't get that. It's surprising that you'll like stumble in Northridge, you go through a car wash, and then next thing you know they got Filipino food. We got their hopia. So they got 3 different hopias. Now, what hopia is kind of like a mooncake filled pastry, Filipino style. They got 3 different ones. They got ube, mungo, and baboy. Baboy is pig, by the way. And I can't tell which one's which. They got these 3. And we also got some empanada. It's a meat pie also. This one's stuffed with chicken. And then we also got their banana cube. And I'll get to that in a second. But we'll start with their empanada. So, as you can see, this is filled with meat, and it has potato. This is chicken. It has even like peas and carrots and all that stuff. This is some goodness right here. It's like a meal in itself. It's pretty good. And they're generous with the stuffing, because like, you'll get some, yeah, it doesn't have too much meat. It'll be like more bread. But this is pretty good. They also have the raisins. I'm gonna save that for Sunny. Sunny hates raisins. So this one right here, this is their mungo. Mungo is like basically a bean. It's green, but I don't know how this one turned yellow. Anyway, let's try it. They're pretty good. And they're pretty heavy too. It's like, it's sweet. And then this is their ube. Ube is purple yam, and it's like really popular with like a lot of Asian dishes. They make it from anything from boba to cakes, and hopia. Their ube is really sweet. I think this one is much better than the mungo. Wow, that's really good. I wasn't expecting that, because I've had a lot of like hopia, ube, but this one's like really flavorful. Like a lot of times, like they make the paste, the ube paste, it feels like it's kind of like a little bland. You don't get that strong ube taste. This one has it. And this one right here is their baboy. It's kind of weird because like it's supposed to be like a bean paste, and like there's pig in it, but it's freaking good. There's like a little crunch to it too inside. Yeah, I could eat that. I could eat that every single day. So this one right here is their banana cube. Basically it's a plantain, and they dip it with brown sugar, and then they fry it. That's why it gets caramelized. And this is really popular in the Philippines. Like if you're ever walking down the street in the Philippines, like you'll see carts where they're just cooking these. They're bomb. They're cheap too there. This is a really good snack. It's pretty filling too. And even though it's glazed with brown sugar, it's not really overbearingly sweet. It's just right. It's perfect. It's bomb. So they got 3 different flavors. I mean, out of those hopias, I think their best one has to be like the ube and the baboy's next. The mungo's alright. I probably can live without it, and you can get a dozen. It's like $7 or something. So overall, I think it was a pretty cool experience. I mean, you can come here, get your car washed, get some food, and then you can take some home too, because you can get a dozen hopia. I would recommend you guys come here, check it out. It's pretty cool. I want to try some of their Filipino food there too. It looks like they have some good food. But do us a favor. Let us know what other spots you want us to check out in the comments below, so that way we can go check it out. Also, hit that subscribe button so that way you can watch more videos just like this one, and hit that bell notification as well. Share it with your family and friends because they'll love it. And we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.